Anak, come and get know your pie. Sit down. So much. Morning, mga kakabsat, mga gagayem, and guys. Morning, morning. I just woke up. I need to make breakfast now for my kids. They're going to school again. Ay. Good morning. Have you changed clothes? Okay. We'll just make breakfast now.
I really took a picture. I could delete it. Watch now. Wait, me too?
You want a cereal, Liam, now? In milk? Cereal and milk. Breakfast. I'm gonna warm now your milk.
Where's my breakfast pie? But
You should finish your cereal na anak ko so that we can buy your Coco Pop.
our socks, Mama, too. I'll eat.
I'll warm now some milk, okay, for you. Warm tayo ng milk ni anak, konti lang muna. Dun sa microwave, warm the milk. Tapos afterwards that, sausage.
Yeah.
It seems to me that despite all his power, TV Titan was a very friendly, cool guy on the TV. Look closely under his TV, there's some weird stuff. Maybe it's a mount for his head or some kind of mechanism inside, I don't know. But we can definitely say that TV Titan is a robot. The rest of TV Man, I guess. I say this because we saw something that looked like a neck in an early version of Speaker Man, and it was weird. The next time TV Titan is in episode 44. Here he's no longer hiding behind the house, and we can get a better look at everything he has. In fact, his body is similar to the Titan cameraman of the first version, and he also got a longer, cooler cape after the final upgrade. But we'll talk about that later. For now, let's go back to the old TV Titan version. Skippy the Octopus appears right in front of it with the exact same spectacle. Maybe it's even a reference.
Mataas masyado pala. Mataas masyado. Yan, na-warm na yung milk ng aking anak. And Milo cereal. Eh, 7 minutes now. Tell me if you want more, okay? My son is eating his breakfast. Cook sausage for the baon, which is this one, and extra for my daughter's breakfast. And I think I'm gonna make some coffee because gusto kong magkape, malamig sa labas. I'm gonna make some coffee. Is that enough cereal for you? That's enough?
No.
Nataji, what's your drink bottle, Leon? Ito lang kailang padamdaman ako kape dito kailangan. Ito mag 3-in-1 muna tayo for at the moment because low acid daw which helps naman to low acid. Hindi masyadong sinisikmura pag nagpo-coffee. Yeah.
Cereal?
Yeah, just wait.
Because sometimes I just put cereal here, but I save the milk.
Yeah, okay, wait. I'll give you more cereal. Give me your pants, your base. Just a little bit na lang.
Yeah.
Almost finished. You can have your favorite cereal now. Get now your breakfast. Careful, ah. You're adding baon, apple and strawberry, strawberry and apple.
Wow, comment the smile emoji if you're impressed. After this guy was playing Minecraft with his buddies.
What about you, Ate? Do you want also strawberry on your fork?
Yes, but it has to be easy.
You know how much that could cost? No, more like 5 million. No, Joey, no, whatever. That's the only for that. So, why do you come into the first place? Okay, we'll see. We'll wait. Right. He never said that this would last. Is that what you brought me down here for? Yeah, that's it. Are you serious? Why did you do that? No, I'm just playing. I brought you guys down here because this is an important intermission. Okay, well, tell us now because we want to get back to our game. So it opens with a TV.
Liam, where's your drink bottle?
I left it in your car.
Natama na yun. Pagunta na ka ni Papa. What's the time now, ate?
8:35.
Inom lang ako ng konting coffee para ma-warm yung tiyan ko before maghatid ng mga anak. Hatid ko na yung mga anak sa school. Yan. Ito na. Ito na kami. It's cloudy today. Cloudy morning. So that we can save petrol. Petrol is so expensive now.
It's so cool.
And then sometimes I need to walk because that's my only exercise.
Why can't we take like those buses?
Oh, if you took buses, you need to pay for it too. Oh.
Give me your money.
Nga guys, nagre-reklamo yung anak ko. Sabi ko, we need to save petrol. Because you know, it costs too much na. The petrol is cost too much. So we need to save money too. Kasi malapit lang naman. Kaya kahit malamig, go, go, go. Lakad lang. Yan, ganda ng view, diba? Kahit makulimlim. Wala lang, gusto ko lang i-share. It's winter nga Rod, mga anak. It's winter. Don't worry, 2 more months. When the wind, oh, it's still cold on the spring.
You scared me.
Why?
When you did that thing, I got there in the car and I stopped.
We, di nga. We. Ayun. Tumakbo na sila dun. I'm home. Katatapos ko lang maghatid ng mga bata. Tutuloy ko ng coffee ko. Hindi na siya masyadong mainit. Ipa-warm ko na lang sa microwave to. Yan. So, before ako magpagupit today, mag-ano muna ako, laba muna ng konti. Tapos, siguro maghugas ng dishes muna. Yan. I-warm muna natin ang ating coffee. Warm coffee. What else? The coffee is warm. foggy morning. There.
Last night I thought the
Visible.
was gonna drop.
It's foggy.
Oh my
Oh, it's foggy.
Oh my god. The vision is more better than cars.
Over there. Morning guys, kabsat, gayem. Hindi pa ako nakapagpagupit kasi ewan ko, sinusumpong ako ng laziness kasi ang lamig. Pagkahatid ko kasi ng mga bata sa school pag umaga, minsan parang ayoko nang lumabas pag nandito na sa bahay. So yun na nga, ano ba yan? Gusto ko na talagang magpagupit, promise. Yan na. So, ngayon ang breakfast namin, i-steam ko yung yung siopaw. May siopaw kami dito, binibili namin sa mga Asian store, yung mga naka-frozen na siya. So, ito siya. Ito siya guys, oh. Palagi kaming minsan, hindi naman every week kami bumibili. Kaso, pag gusto lang naming magmerienda ng ganito, siopaw. Yan, tapos, pinapainit ko na yung, mainit na tubig yung nilagay ko sa loob. Yan yung steamer namin. Yan. So, ilalagay ko na siya. Yung siopaw. May 3 pang natira. So, ilalagay ko na tong siopaw para may meriendahin din ang aking lakay pag uwi niya. Ayan. Oh. Tapos yung mga anak ko ngayon hindi pumasok. Kasi daw, ewan ko ba sa kanila, hindi sila pumasok ngayon. Sabi ko, wag na silang mag-absent. Hirap naman pilitin ng mga anak pag ayaw pumasok. Kaya yan. Ang aking anak ng pie, yun daw ang breakfast niya guys. Frozen din siya. Meron siyang karne ng baka sa loob, tsaka cheese. Careful, careful. Huwag ganyan. Yan, lalagay niya dyan sa plate. Yan. Oh, why? Naiit Tapos, what's happening? What are you doing? You go put na microwave. Nay, where are you going? Lagay na niya sa sa microwave. Yan. Binibili na namin sila na gagamitin lang nila microwave pag meron yung tatay nila, yung papa nila. You put in the middle. Yan, tapos press 3. Yan, kasi 3 minutes yung niya ng microwave yung sapay. Tapos yun, nagwa-warm pa lang. Yun, pumunta na siya doon. Oh, nakalimutan mo pang isole ito.
Mama.
Tapos ito yung brand ng pie na kinuha namin, masarap. Ito yung para sa amin, ha. Ito yung like average na masarap, yeah. Yan yun. Anak, come and get now your pie. Sit down here on the table.
I love pie.
Nay, you get the pie now in the microwave.
Okay.
Oh, it's boiling na pala, may siopaw. Ano natin yun? Careful You go put that one there muna on the table.
Why does the microwave is so dirty? Did it explode like a
No, cause I reheat the fish last night. So it popped some of the meat on the fish in the microwave.
Wait, where was
it? There, I put your spoon there inside the
Why?
I put it back. You eat now. Almost. Our siopaw is almost done.
It only takes 3 minutes.
You eat now nga, Rod. You eat now.
I always take the top off.
Yeah. Can you check if it's the inside is warm? The inside, the meat. Just choke your spoon. Like that.
It's so hot.
Like that. Good.
Yeah.
You taste it. If it's cold. It's warm. 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 Hot. Okay.
Very hot.
Okay. Ata, you can come here now. Our siopaw is cooked. Can you turn off now the light there, anak?
Leave cinnamon my spot that I usually do.
Oh no. Stick. Say hi, anak. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Kagayim at guys. Oh, wow. Oh no. Aray! This one na lang. Oh, yes. So hot. Oh. Okay. Get your, siopaw. Your siopaw. And sit down now there to, anak. Oh, you gonna sit down. Careful, ah. We're gonna open the curtain later. It's really hot. It's really hot. It's really cold. My kids are eating breakfast now. Ayan.
Why can't you eat?
I will eat now to, anak. Breakfast. Puyot mo, puyot mo. Blow it. Hi guys. Ito na, magbe-breakfast na ako. Makakaantok ko. Parang puyot na puyot ako.
Beatrix, how dare you do all of this? All I've been is nice to you. And you're so ungrateful.
Coffee and siopaw for breakfast.
No, I can't believe you could stoop down to this level, Jennifer. You're the one who has a problem. And this is all my fault. I'm sorry. If I had never behaved that way towards you as a child, Jennifer wouldn't have grown up hating you this way. Easton just stood there, shocked at the entire situation. After talking to him later, we continued to stay friends. Mom and Dad helped me get through my agoraphobia and get better. Jennifer was sent away for therapy and treatment. With my parents' support, I was able to
So hot.
focus back to music. It took a lot of hard work and
Makulimlim talaga sa labas, guys. Before ako punta mag-work mamaya, papakita ko dun sa labas. Makulimlim. Talagang...
Mama, who's faster, me or the fastest man in the world?
You are the fastest man in the world. What's that?
Actually, Guillermo is, because I'm the second fastest and he's the first fastest.
Okay. Mamaya guys, papakita ko yung weather namin sa labas mamaya pag pumunta na ako ng work. What's that? Guys, ngayon sinipag na akong magpagupit kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya itong buko na ganito kahaba. Ay, magsasapatos pa pala tayo. Hindi ko na talaga kaya ang mahabang aking buhok. Parang ang bigat na sa ano, tsaka sayang sa shampoo tsaka conditioner. Ay, kailangan kong magpagupit na ng aking buhok. Sapatos na. Off na natin. Labas na tayo. Yan. Yung susi. Sana walang masyadong queue ba yun? Queue or line sa ano pagpapagupitan ko. Sige guys, mamaya ulit. Yan guys, so nagpark ako. Naghanap pa ako ng parking lot kasi medyo malayo-layo pa yung, hindi naman malayo-layo, medyo lalakarin ko na lang yung kung saan ako magpapagupit. Mga, kasi ano, walang parking doon sa mismong tapat na. So yan, tara. Oops. Umaambon pa. So, hindi ko nakalak na yung car. Ay, ayos ko lang ito. Maglalakad na tayo papunta doon sa yung ano. Maglalakad na tayo papunta sa pagpapagupitan ko. Napakita ko sa inyo yung daan. And so, dito tayo. Walking. Let's go walking just cuts. Where is that? Ay, over there. Ayun. Open. Ayun. I see it already. Ayun pala siya. So, tatawid tayo dito sa pedestrian lane. So, malapit na tayo. Ayan, malapit na. Ito siya, oh. Ayan. Ako magpapagupit. Open ba? Ay, there's a line. Hi. Good. Sorry? Just gonna do haircut. Sorry?
You want a haircut?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just pop yourself in the end. Thank you.
Ito daw, mag-appointment. So, first name. This is done. Oh. So, dito ka magsa-sign in. You're gonna sign in here. Waiting area. Stargates. Yan guys, so I'm on the key or queue. Yeah, I'm on the queue to wait for my haircut. Long hair. Goodbye long hair. Kaso naiipit kasi siya sa sa forklift. Pag nakaupo ako yung buhok ko so maano sa may upuan. So I need to cut my hair. And I'm just waiting for my turn. Yes. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that looks amazing.
I get a good haircut now. I love
So
my
you've
short
got all
hair
those
now.
nice layers.
I can
and
do
things.
some hair
Yeah, do
clip
your
for
little
my
curls so you
yeah.
can actually grab these pieces
Yeah.
like that, and then you can actually flip them and curl them, so then they come curls.
Okay ba siya, guys? It's like it's good. I feel good. Pero maganda mo. Huh? Brown. New haircut. Parang bagay ko. Ito na. I think this is much. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, the brown.
The brown.
I think so.
Yeah.
The brown looks
See,
really
even
nice.
I wear my
Yeah,
cream
nice.
jacket.
It still goes with it.
Yeah, and I get gray. Yeah, it's good.
I think so too.
I feel pretty.
Perfect.
Self-confidence.
No, you are fine.
Okay.
I'll get you a
Yeah,
nice pair of glasses.
I love it. So guys, this is my new haircut. Yeah, my haircut.
I'll just get you.
Siya nga pala guys, bumili ako nito kasi itatry ko para sa hair treatment ko. Kasi yung hair ko, I got a dry hair.
Wearable treatment.
Yeah, I just wanted to use this and get the best result.
And it's
Oh yeah, I'm gonna use that on summer or wearable
Yes.
anytime, every season.
yes, you
Yeah.
can. And you get your glasses.
Ayan guys, tapos na pong aking haircut. Di ba ang ganda ko. So nag-purchase po ako nitong hair treatment ko kasi yung hair ko po talaga is super dry. Tapos may free po ako na bag and sunglasses kasi kailangan ko po talaga ng hair treatment. So mag-ano tayo, tatawid ay apal yung talag. Yan. Yan, so I purchased shampoo, conditioner at yung hair cuticle or hair polish, tapos yung wearable conditioner, mapawid man or dry yung hair mo, pwede mo siyang ilagay. Yan. Pasok na tayo sa sasakyan. At ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ano, yung and guys, wait lang, papakita ko sa inyo yung ano, yung pinurchase ko. Kasi nakaka-dry talaga din ng hair yung ano, yung shampoo namin. So I'll try para gumanda naman yung hair ko before ako magpa hair color. Yan, sorry guys, tabingi. So ito yung kinuha ko. Ito yung kinuha ko. Pinurchase ko. Meron akong shampoo. Yan, sorry at baliktad kasi naka-invert yung camera ng cellphone ko. Yan, picturean ko na lang siya. So ito yung shampoo, yan, and kumuha ko ng conditioner. Tapos ito yung wearable treatment niya. Yan, last for maximum 1 year. Pwede siyang after maligo or dry yung hair, once a day, everyday mo ilalagay. Tapos Ito din yung hair polish or hair cuticle parang kalimutan ko ng pangalan sa Pilipinas, ganun. Ano siya, doon lang sa tip end ng hair. Ayan siya. Ito siya. Ayan. Sorry guys, baliktad. Pipicturan ko na lang siya. Ilalagay ko dito sa aking video, okay? Yan. Tapos itatry ko siya. I'm gonna try this product if it's good for my hair. I'm gonna try this product. And I'm gonna let you know kung may difference ba. And then there's a freebies. I have a freebie. I got a bag. I don't know if it's toiletries bag or yeah. I think it's a toiletry bag or pag mag-travel ko or what. And I got a free Justice. It's a sunglasses. Pinakita ko naman sa inyo kanina, diba? Sinuot ko siya. So, meron siyang box. And I got a casing. Gusto ko din siya kasi nagmamatch siya sa complexion ko. Tapos meron siyang pamunas. Yan. Oh, meron din pala siyang bahay. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. And then I choose the brown one. Yan, maganda sa complexion ng skin ko yan. I love it. Yan, may collection na naman ako sa mga sunglass. Ipapakita ko yung mga collection ko sunglass ko soon. Kasi noon hindi ako mahilig sa sunglasses. Ngayon mahilig na ako kasi nga ang tag na doon, ano yung araw kasi ng mata. Hindi naman sa magiging feeling rich kapag nagsuot ka ng sunglass dito sa bansang ito, kasi kailangan kasi for protect your eyes. Protect your eyes. So ayun, bibili muna tayo ng bread pala, tapos petchay kasi wala na kaming bread. Okay, see you later guys. Ay guys, may nakalimutan pa pala ako. Meron pala akong meron palang $5 discount pa pag magpapa-haircut ako sa susunod. Meron akong discount na $5, di ba? So worth it naman yung binayaran ko sa haircut ko. Ayan, kasi talagang maganda siya. So worth it. So yan. Bibili na tayo ng bread tsaka petchay. See you later, guys. Bili lang tayo ng petchay. Ito. Bili tayo ng petchay. Ito. Bili lang tayo nitong petchay. Wala silang yun. May pangalan nito? May barcode. May barcode. Yan, may barcode siya. So, kuha tayo ng paper bag. Kuha tayo ng paper bag para kuha tayo petchay. Ulit. Ano to? Pak choy. Pak choy pala to. Pak choy Shanghai. Okay, let's pay na. And bili na tayo ng bread. We're gonna buy bread. We're here in the bakery. Dinner roll. Yan. So ito binili ko dalawa. Dinner roll. Yan guys. So, yun na. Buying dinner rolls too. Hello mga guys, mga kakabs at mga gagayem. Please, kung nagustuhan nyo po ang aking video, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the notification bell to update more video. And please don't forget to like and share and comment. Thank you po sa panonood. Nandito na po ako sa bahay. Bye!